you weren't able to tell from my intros there, it's raining outside. I actually just fell on the ground. Got a nice little mud spill on myself. Just kind of wanted to go walk around in the rain. Oh jeez. Want to go walk around in the rain. Just relax a little bit. See what's going on out here. Walked around this area before. It's definitely been a lot more cleared out since I've been out here. I don't know if you can see them on here, but some ducks swimming across out there. Looks like a little baby duck. Cool grouped together trees on a property line out here. Field right over there. In the wintertime, I guess, in the Pacific Northwest out here, sometimes you just gotta get out in the rain. It's not ever raining too much. Or I guess sometimes the rain's heavy, but sometimes when you want to get outside, you just gotta go and put on your raincoat and start walking. I don't really think I'm gonna get much further that way. It's kind of overgrown and feels weird. Guess I'll head back the other way. Some views of this water today. Sometimes I feel like walking around. Don't really have any subject matter. Get really muddy when I fell. This water is definitely recovered from our drought that we had this past summer. Alright, I decided to come back in my house. I'm all changed and dried off. It was muddy and it was just time to come home. Got really wet. It was nice just being out and about, listening to the rain. All right, see what we do next.
I'm gonna take a picture of something. Guys, say cheese.
Cheese.